Hey guys, so we just met up with Josh. He's going to lead the way. We made it to the trailhead, and right now, pretty much just us. It is a little bit chilly. Gonna air down. We're gonna get on the trail.
I have a bad feeling about this. Get close.
Alright, well, we had to go a different way. We finally met up with Josh because he put me in this random spot that I couldn't get through. So Eerie is up ahead. I'm gonna go grab my GoPro off of it just because I know it was tight where he was, and I don't want a chance that I lost the GoPro. So let's go grab that. I know we've lost one off of Josh's before, no, Keith's. Josh picked it up last time, so. Dude. Did you grab it? Did you grab the GoPro?
No.
How long was that part of that trail? Was it long or was it pretty quick?
I said 20 minutes.
Alright, well, I guess we're down a GoPro. That's great. Did you see a GoPro?
No.
Let's see, did it happen to just like snag? No, nothing. Alright, well, that sucks. Anyone on Facebook Marketplace want to sell me another GoPro? I doubt it. But, alright. It happens. It's probably my fault for not using the magnetic mount and trying to hook it onto things that don't actually have ledges. But,
Yeah.
alright, on to the next part.
I'm back in the trail.
Back on the trail. Oh well. Lesson learned. right, we're at lunch spot. It's at the top of a hill. So Josh, where's your lunch?
Somewhere in a Jeep or somewhere in the wood.
The Jeep ate it.
The Jeep ate it.
Yeah.
So, luckily, I'm fat, and I brought enough food.
I ate all the crackers.
And then Gabe ate all the crackers, so then, you know, we're kind of doomed about it. But yeah, it's kind of weird here. We got that abandoned thing over there, and you know, nothing crazy going on here, but you know, it is what it. What's that over there?
What's that? Something's moving.
What's that thing? Who are you? Well, I ain't gonna keep up with him, so I don't know who the hell that was.
I wonder he ate my lunch.
Well, I guess he could have. That's weird. Or it's in your Jeep.
Yeah.
All right. Well, now I feel like we should finish up lunch quicker and get the out of here, because that's weird. Because we're in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
I'll show a map so you can see where we're at. Give you the name of the place. Pretty pine trees really up high over here, and yeah, it's definitely something to see, especially with all the logging that's been around here lately. Unfortunately, we have what looks like a beer can on a tree and whatnot. Oh, looks like we're catching up to Josh up here, but yeah, it's pretty back here and whatnot. What the fuck is that? You guys see that? Oh, I put it in Newton Park, man. What the hell? What was that? The fuck am I thought I just saw that guy again. Alright, I don't know, or whatever it was. I don't see anything now. It's been like 20 miles since our freaking lunch. Like, what? Alright, well, there's the guys up here. They must have stopped to wait for me, gather some wood. Alright, well, let's get to camp, because this is freaking me out. We've got camp set up. It's not far from a previous camp, and it's quite dark over here and whatnot. You know, just all in the middle of nowhere. But you know, it's just kind of. Oh, what is that?